everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm with you with a very enjoyable project. We are going to learn this kind of beautiful fringes. I love making fringes. As you see, it looks beautiful. I used rainbow colors for this shawl. It really looks beautiful and it is very easy to make these fringes, dear friends. Please follow my video till the end. Even if you are a beginner, at the end of the video you will be able to make beautiful fringes on your crochet. Okay, dear friends, let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. Let's go on how to make this. I made this kind of small part in order to show you how to make beautiful fringes, dear friends. The length of the fringes totally depends on you. For example, here these fringes are 15 centimeters length. In order to make neatly fringes, you will need this kind of cardboard, paperboard, how you call it. But I cut it a bit shorter. This is 12 centimeters. As I told you, I made these fringes 15 centimeters. The length of the fringes totally depends on you. But here on this small part, I will go on with this cardboard. I mean with 12 centimeters of yarns I will wrap around it. In order to make fringes, we need this kind of scrap yarn. We need a hook. This is 3mm hook, but it's no so matter how many centimeters. It can be 2.5, 3.5, no matter. This is 3mm hook because I crochet this one with 3mm hook. And we need a cardboard. As I told you, I cut this cardboard in the length of 12 centimeters. You can make it 15, 10. That depends on you. I'm taking one of the scrap yarn in my hand. We are starting by wrapping this around the cardboard. 3 times I will wrap. This is 1 time wrapping. I'm making the yarn end a bit long. Later on we will cut it. This is 2nd time wrapping. And this is 3rd time wrapping. Okay, dear friends, I wrapped it 3 times, but if you want it thicker, you can wrap it 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. That depends on you. But normally in standard way, 3 wrapping is enough for a fringe. Now I am cutting. Okay, and I will also cut here these edges. Yes, I am keeping it like this. This is the front side of my project. First of all, I am taking my hook, inserting it from the edge, from the corner edge, like this. From here we can insert. Taking our yarns, inserting my hook from front, and I am pulling it to the back side. I am keeping this tightly and pulling the yarn to the back side. Okay, I am pulling it and I made like this. I will pull these yarn ends through this space. We can do it with the help of the hook like this. And very neatly I am pulling. Look, it's been like this, dear friends. Don't care about the edges. Later on we will cut them neatly after finishing all the fringes. Okay, now I am taking another color in my hand. I am doing the same thing. I am taking the cardboard. This is 1 time wrapping. This is 2nd time wrapping. This is 3rd time wrapping. Okay, 3 times wrapping is okay. Now I am cutting. Okay, I am cutting also here these edges. I am not touching at the other side. Okay, I am keeping here, and like this it's been folded. Here, like this I am keeping. I am putting it here, taking my hook. Now I am going to this space. One by one I am going on. Okay, taking this one like this, pulling it a bit. Later on I will pull through the others through this space. One moment. And I am pulling tightly. Look, it's been like this. Pulling tightly and fixing like this. Now I am taking another color in my hand. I'm taking the cardboard in my hand. It's going on in the same way, dear friends. For the beginners, I will do it a few times more. This is one time wrapping, second time wrapping, third time wrapping, and I am cutting the yarn. Okay, I am cutting also here. Okay, in the middle at top I am pulling it like this here. I am pulling like this. First of all, I am putting it on the ground, taking my hook. Now I am going to make it from the middle of the granny cluster, I mean block. Here I'm inserting my hook like this. Okay, taking this, I will pull through it from front to back with the help of the hook. I am pulling to the back side, I am pulling. Later on I am making yarn over and I will pull it through this space. Okay, I am pulling all the yarn. Okay, and now I am pulling tightly in order to fix. Okay, you see? Now I am taking another color in my hand. For example, this one I can take in my hand. I am wrapping 3 times. This is one time wrapping, second time wrapping, third time wrapping. Okay, I am cutting the yarn. Okay, I am cutting the edges. I am pulling it at top by folding like this here. I am pulling, I am putting it here on the ground, taking the hook. This time I will fix this fringe from the space. I am taking it, taking like this. I will make pull through. Okay, I am making it bigger because I will make pull through all the others through this space like this. Okay, and pulling it tightly. Look, pulling it tightly, as you see. You can go on with the same color or you can change the color each time as I do. That's completely depends on you. Another color I'm taking in my hand. The last time I'm doing, I'm wrapping it around the cardboard. This is one time wrapping. This is second time wrapping. This is third time wrapping. 3 time wrapping is okay, and cutting the yarn. Okay. Also cutting these edges, you see? Cutting these edges. Okay. I am keeping it at top like this. It will be folded. Look, I am putting it anywhere on the table. I am taking my hook. I fixed the last fringe through the space. Now I will fix it in the middle of the block, in the middle of the crochet cluster. It's going on like this: cluster, space, cluster, space, cluster, space. It will go on till the end. I'm inserting my hook through the middle of the cluster like this, and taking my yarn for the fringe, pulling to the back side. From front to the back side I am pulling. One moment. I am making the space bigger like this and making yarn over. I am keeping the yarn like this, and I will make pull through like this. Now the only thing, you are just pulling it tightly like this, making it fixed. Okay, dear friends, as you see, it's going on beautiful. That's finished. We made all the fringes. Now the only thing we can do is just make it neatly and cut it from the edges. I am taking scissors in my hand. We can do it like this. As you see, the edges are very neatly. Yes, dear friends, you can go on your project till the end as I showed you. As you see, making fringes are very neatly. You can make the fringes with the same color, or you can make it in different colors as I do. It is really very easy, very enjoyable to make borders with fringes. You can use these fringes at the scarves, at the cardigans, bralettes, crochet summer tops, or at the blankets. You can use in many ideas. You can use these fringes. Yes, dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. Hope you liked this project. Hope you enjoyed making fringes like this. I really loved making fringes on my crochet borders. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.